Welcome to section 12 of Make My Seating template. Here we are going to see how to use conditional formatting in Excel. Also we are going to add some additional feature to our template. We are in the home page and going to the seating page. Here we could see department and number of students here. So I am going to add one additional feature, that is number of students to be placed or to be seated, that is the remaining students. So I am going to add this feature here, and also I am going to add how many students are allocated when you keep allocating the students. For this purpose we are going to use the temp page for most of the things. So in the temp page I am going to create the separate block for that purpose. So let's do it. Here I am going to use max command. Also you can use count formula to do the same. So I am going to take the which number is the maximum from the first table, that is D1. So it will write the maximum students, that is 25. Likewise I am going to do it for the other thing, just change D1 to D2 and D2 to D3 and so on. Let's check it out. It is 39 for the last department, and go to the name list page and see whether it is 39. So in the last department, production engineering, it is 39 and we are right. So let's go to the next column. To get the allocated students count, use equal to and sum of the students, those who have been allocated, that we have in the temp seating page. So that column shows how many students been allocated, but H1 has one special criteria, because when you use the checkbox, that is first fill MPH, you cannot use that. So I am going to use from H2 to MPH and the H1. Just drag it down so you get the students being allocated. So now the table is over. Now let's use the conditional formatting. If all the students been allocated, there is no remaining students, it must display green color. So let's see how we can do it. Now select the cells, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and select equal to. So it will format based on the value. So if it is equal to 0, then what it should do? I select green color. So also you can select the custom format and you can select your own color if you don't like the one which is seen in the list. So I have selected the green color and now see the 0 has been turned into green color. Now I am going to add the second format. Secondly, I am going to format in such a way that if the value is not 0, that is greater than 0, then what should I do? I should fill it with the red color because still it is not been filled. Also the option shows that the text will be in dark red color. So we have done it. So it has filled with the red color and the text is in the dark red color. You can select your own custom formats as you like. And now you can copy it for the other cells. Before doing that, just log the row reference as we do every time. So just add the dollar symbol before that, because it is same reference. When you copy it down, it will change its reference, so that should not happen. So I am locking the row reference. Now it's okay, and now I am copying it. I can paste it. Now I am locking it, changing D to $D $. So okay. See, the total is 31, but actually the students count, the limit is only 6 into 4, 24. So I want to insert an alert here when it exceeds that particular value. So let's use few formulas and do that. Before doing that, copy this total to all other halls. So now I'm going to compare this total value with the value which comes here. So if it exceeds this, if it exceeds that value, then it must show the error. So let's see, I'm going to use the index formula to bring the value from there, and with the help of that I'm going to make it. So let's see that this is the place where I'm going to display the alert. Let's assume that each hall has a its own specification, that is has its own rows and columns. So to do that, so I just assume that each hall has different numbers of rows and columns. So first I'm going to compare this with the particular value which is in the hall design page. By comparing the hall number and the dimension of hall entered in hall design, we brought the number here. Now using if command, I am going to compare this value with the total here. So using if and just follow me. So if the total value exceeds the value which is in K6, so what should I do? So before entering text, start with double inverted comma. So I want to display it as limit exceeded. So you can give your own text there inside the double inverted commas. So now see, as the value is 31, it is showing that the limit exceeded. So we have added new features and also we have used the formats using control. So now let's check it out how our conditional formats works. And everything is working fine. If you have any suggestions, you can post it in the comment box. If you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment box and we will prepare the video for you.